That looks like an egg.
Egg.
Are you making eggs? What kind of eggs are you making?
1, 2, 3.
3 eggs?
Yeah.
Thank you. What else are you cooking?
You're making, oh, the hot coffee's all gone, huh?
Hot coffee
Okay.
again.
But there's an egg still.
Again. Milk again.
What about a hamburger sandwich?
Hamburger.
What kind of a sandwich are you making?
Hamburger.
Okay.
Hamburger.
It looks good so far. Is it hot though?
Coffee.
Well, you are so into hot coffee.